In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WhatsApp Business in Meta Business Suite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your WhatsApp business account properly connected, so you can manage messages and campaigns directly from your Meta tools. Let's start inside Meta Business Suite. Open your browser and go to the Meta Business Suite homepage. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your business. If you have multiple business accounts, double check that you've selected the correct one from the drop-down at the top, so you don't accidentally connect WhatsApp to the wrong business. Once you're in the correct business suite, look for the settings option. This is usually found on the left-hand side menu towards the bottom. Go ahead and click on settings. This area is where you control all of the behind-the-scenes details for your business assets, so it's the right place to connect WhatsApp. Inside the settings screen, focus on the left-hand column. You'll see a section called Accounts. Under this section, look for WhatsApp Accounts. Click on that. If you've never connected WhatsApp here before, this page may look fairly empty, but that's normal. This is simply where all your WhatsApp business connections will be listed. Now, on the top or right-hand side of this WhatsApp Accounts page, you should see an Add button. Click on Add. This tells Meta that you want to connect a new WhatsApp business account to your business suite. After you click Add, you'll see an option to link a WhatsApp business account. If you already have a WhatsApp business account set up on your phone number, choose the option to link an existing account. Meta will guide you through a short process where you confirm your business details and verify your phone number, usually via SMS or a phone call. Make sure you have access to that phone so you can enter the code quickly. If you don't yet have a WhatsApp business account, select the option to create a new one. You'll be asked for basic information like your business name, the phone number you want to use, and your country or region. Try to choose a number that you can dedicate to your business, as changing it later can be more complicated. Once you've completed these steps and finished the verification, your WhatsApp business account will be linked inside Meta Business Suite, ready to use for messaging, ads, and automation.